What's up, guys? Rev-It-Up7 here. Today we are going to be, as you've seen from the thumbnail, opening up a ton of different Monster Jam toys from, or not Monster Jam toys, Monster Truck toys from Spin Master and Hot Wheels, both. We got a few from, that are real trucks, like this old Bulldozer from back in the day.
That I'm looking forward to. Oh my gosh.
Some kind of weird fantasy stuff that caught my eye from Hot Wheels themselves. And Bro Camino, I'm not sure if Bro Camino's still around, but
no, I don't think
kind of mixing it up. But
yeah,
we needed these really unique, memorable trucks for our collection.
Yeah,
instead
exactly.
of just different versions of the same thing.
Yeah.
All right, so I want to get things started in an interesting way. I don't know what these things are called, but they're these tiny pullback cars with these type of wheels.
Oh, it's a pullback?
No, it's not.
Oh,
but it reminds me of them. I'll put them on screen. They used to sell them at like gas stations and the dollar store, but they'd have like old car bodies on them.
Oh, I see it now.
Yeah,
because of the wheels, right?
Yes.
In the front?
Yeah, they look just like this from the side.
It was like that Ford. The green one.
If you know, you know. I'll put it on screen, but this looks just like a big version.
I see it now.
This thing looks nuts in person.
Yeah, it does.
You got the actual old tire pattern up in the front, and then the big drag slicks.
Oh my god.
These are really deep wheels. Wow, this is...
What is that?
Pretty weird looking.
Yeah, definitely something you don't see often.
Yeah, this is from the Dom's Charger from Fast and the Furious. I love this black, one of the best muscle car bodies ever. The blown motor with the three, what are they? It's a blower, but you can see the little red flaps that open up and let the air in. The classic grill. I like the chrome detail. This is Hot Wheels, so I like some of the stuff they're still coming out with.
They have like their Ninja Turtle ones too, like all four of the Ninja Turtles, but they don't look the best, but I like how they still have the body classic.
I just don't like the wheels of their regular assortments. It has to be stuff like this that's unique. We'd have to check this out in the 6-lane Speedway and see if it's the fastest monster truck.
They brought dual, what are they called, with the Hot Wheels cars that come with them? They brought those back, yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. This is kind of skinny. I think it looks a little bit weird, but it's cool nonetheless. And the wheels look awesome. I'll show on screen what the thing I thought it looked like is.
I see it now.
You'll know exactly what I'm talking about
like
when you
green
check.
One. We had like that cool, like we gave it to our cousin, but still.
Yeah, we gave a bunch of our non-Hot Wheel stuff away.
Yeah.
Comes with this crush car, but I don't know what the point is. It says connect and crash car. I guess you connect it to other cars to make like a wall or something. I'm not sure. I don't have enough of these to know. This is also that was what available in this assortment, but honestly, we've had this for months. Snakebite, that's pretty cool.
Oh yeah, Snakebite looks actually
looks like Reptoid, but Snakebite was actually its own truck.
The other ones kind of don't look the best.
No, they're a little bit too childish. And if you've ever seen the Hot Wheels monster truck shows, they are not even watchable if you like Monster Jam. If you were to go in person, you'd want to leave. It's like a show. It's not even a competition. So next up, back to Spin Master, Bro Camino. We'll keep the muscle car theme going.
All right.
Bulldozer and Bro Camino are, I think they're teammates, but they're both trucks that are created and I think sponsored by there's like a Diesel Boys show, I think it's what it's called. It's on like Motor Trend TV. They are specialized in diesel cars and stuff. Orange wheels, looks pretty cool. I love Spin Master's tires. They are so aggressive, the tread pattern on them. It's like sharp looking. That's one of the things I like over the Hot Wheels tires that they replaced.
It just feels remastered.
They look sharper.
Yeah.
They look really good. Old El Camino body. I think this is like a 70 El Camino.
Yeah.
Orange. Got the wheelie bar on it. This is detachable, I think. But it does keep the truck from going head over heels. And then head over heels is if you went over the handlebars. I don't know what you'd call this. Just doing too much of a wheelie.
Yeah.
But as you can see, there's a little bar on it and a wheel, so you can actually ride the wheelie. But these pop off the chassis.
Okay, good.
And you can pop them onto other cars.
That's good.
And they redid the tool here so that things clip on better. But overall, it's a pretty cool, unique.
It's very smooth. Looks like this can come on and come off super easily. I like the orange color. Definitely, for sure. I absolutely love. I cannot get over what Spin Master has done. With the wheels, like you were talking about, just the fact that like there's just so much nostalgia, like really old ones that they just bring back.
Yeah, well, you'll see that next.
Oh my gosh, that's that one right there.
But I mean, we've said it time and time again on this channel, but Spin Master, I was so scared when Hot Wheels wasn't going to be with them anymore. I'm like, man, there goes the end of what I used to collect forever.
Like, that's it, yeah.
They are just as good, if not better, than Hot Wheels was.
I got to say better, just a slight, though, because I don't want to sound like they're another level. But I got to say, when it comes to, like, the body job, oh my gosh, I want it to feel the same again. They're doing a fantastic job.
I mean, they just have cool stuff. Like,
Yeah.
you got a Dragonoid, and these are great castings, every one of them. This Fire Gravedigger with, like, flame wheels.
Oh, nice.
Megalodon with blue wheels. I don't know what this Max D is about with the different colored body pieces, but, I mean, that's interesting. And then did these whiteout trucks. We have one of those to show you. But, yeah, Bro Camino, cool truck. Next up,
Yeah, here it is.
Bulldozer. This is what I'm
is.
most excited to review for a reason that I'll get into in a second. But they had these trucks when Hot Wheels did them for a few years in the beginning. They had a slightly different sized wheel, and I wanted to see if they feel and look the same. I think these are a little bit bigger than the old ones, but they had the smaller rims and a different tire.
Different tire feel, yeah.
Very odd.
Yeah, very, interesting.
I think this is a little bit bigger than the small trucks.
Oh,
but wow,
this is my favorite. Literally, if Gravedigger was not my favorite truck, it would be this man right here.
Oh, Bulldozer used to be driven by all the best drivers.
Yes,
Tom Meents and Guy Wood and all those guys back in the day.
He used to rip these horns off, man. I grown up since then.
Yeah, when we were kids, he'd rip the horns off of our
all the
Toro
time.
Locos and our Bulldozers, and it pissed me off.
Don't know why, but I guess it's a rep thing.
Yeah. What else we got in this assortment? So you can, in this assortment, there's Monster Rottweiler, a Red Zombie, Double Decker. That's I think the Turtles truck. Is it? No, that's a car.
I can't with this.
That's Hot Wheels did that. This black and in green Dragonoid. I never saw that in stores. Earthshaker with the dirt wheels, Whiteout Dragon, Black El Toro Loco, and Classic Gravedigger. But they just have unique assortments.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is what the rest of their trucks look like, and this is what Hot Wheels Monster Jam started to look like in like 2003, and this is what Hot Wheels Monster Jam looked like until 2003.
They got the monsterjam.com.
Okay, it says flotation 23. Okay, I'll fill up a bucket of water and see if these float. It says flotation on it.
Wait, the wheels float?
Yeah, it says that. Flotation.
Tell me that. What?
We'll test that out at the end of the video.
way.
Stay tuned.
You're telling me this truck just floats?
But as you can see, it's slightly smaller. Is it actually? Hang on. It's a little smaller.
Slight, yeah.
It's hardly smaller.
Okay.
The other truck, that's what I mean. The old small trucks were actually smaller, but it just resembles it. Interesting. Bulldozer, classic, hasn't competed in over 10 years, and Spin Master decided to bring it back.
Very cool. Yeah.
Next up, keep it going. Whiteout Gravedigger.
Talking about our whiteout that we did have.
Yeah, this is the whiteout truck that we do have. I like unique versions of trucks, but it gets to the point where I'd rather just have a ton of new creative designs instead of different versions. But sometimes there's a version that catches my eye, and it's these whiteout trucks. These look awesome. It almost looks like a coloring book that's not done. The black rims and the white tires clash really well.
Oh yeah,
looks really sick. And then the Gravedigger mural in black and white.
That's pretty cool. Very, very cool. Yeah, you can see everything on that.
Bad to the bone. Very, very cool.
You got the wheelie thing.
They all have wheelie bars built into it. I guess it's cool. They all have wheelie bars built into them. Because if you buy a single truck, you don't have to worry about not having a wheelie bar. Oh, that looks cool moving.
What I like about these trucks, though, is like, they come with like the wheelie bar. I don't know if, this might just be me, but like when they have a truck and they come with something like that, the truck would always look different because so it can actually do the wheelie. But like, I like how these trucks they're built normally like this. So like you can just take it off and it'll still be just a normal truck. It's not like
it's not a different version.
Yeah.
It's not like the monster trucks that would crash where you could tilt the chassis, or the ones that would have bigger wheels so they could do different things. I think he's saying like these. It's just a regular truck.
Just a regular truck, yeah.
And they all have attachments. I remember back in Hot Wheels days, some would have battering rams and stuff on the front and spikes. Those were kind of cool, but they were a little bit dumb. Next up, Lumberjack.
Speaking of dumb,
but I think this is a cool.
This is a cool design.
A cool custom design. It feels like it could be real. I'm gonna feel stupid if it is. But
oh my,
that's big. So it's got the logs at the back, orange wheels. Let me see the graphics here. Like a sawmill. It's kind of funny. Lumberjack monster truck. I wonder if this is real.
Made for the woods.
I have to see if this is real. But it's cool. It just looks like an old style monster truck, like something they might have in one of the Australian leagues. And it's got the front end of an old international pickup truck.
I like
it. Or
like
a dump truck. So it's a different front end than the other stuff.
I definitely like it.
Pretty cool, decent addition to the collection.
Yeah.
All right, next up, kind of getting into the heavy hitters, the Mystery Machine. This caught my eye because you have to have the mystery machine if they make it into a monster truck. And it is heavy.
Heavy and a smooth
This is
looking
a
truck.
huge body. This is heavy. And I love the way these tires look in turquoise with the orange.
Heaviest monster truck we have?
This has got to be.
Is it up there?
It's heavier than higher education, and it's heavier than all of the big bus. Feel this.
Oh my.
And then feel this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this probably weighs.
Yeah. This one definitely hit the gym.
Yeah, it weighs another few grams. But big Hanna-Barbera.
Oh my.
The
Loving the
trademark there.
Yeah. I love
mystery
everything
machine.
about it.
It's just cool. Like, I love these colors, and the mystery machine's an iconic vehicle. It's cool to see them turn it into monster truck form in the same format of all these other trucks.
Could be one in the future, you never know. Could be a mystery machine in the future, like Scooby-Doo.
Yeah, Scooby-Doo collab. They already did it.
Yeah, they did, yeah.
All right, that's interesting.
Could be a little hint.
Last but not least, this 2-pack with Vet Monster and Bigfoot.
Oh yeah.
I love how Hot Wheels is
Monster.
making partnerships with these old monster truck owners and putting their old names on there. Like, kids don't know what Vet Monster is, but now they can like play with it and learn what it is. So you got the original Bob Chandler, Bigfoot, and Vet Monster, 2 legends from like early monster trucks. Not just Monster Jam, before Monster Jam. I was really interested in seeing the chrome hubcaps.
Oh.
So first up, we got Bigfoot. This is our first Bigfoot in this scale. As you can see, the Hot Wheels tires are too tall and skinny. They're a little bit cartoony. I've never liked this about them. Because the old monster trucks from Hot Wheels, they just look more realistic, the proportions.
Yeah.
And this looks a little more cartoony, but the body's still beautiful.
Still looks classic. Yeah.
Old Ford truck.
Love it.
And then this is why I bought it. The Vet Monster.
Vet Monster, yeah.
Corvette monster truck with chrome hubcaps.
Oh my gosh.
Very cool.
Very nice, yeah.
Looks like a early 80s C4 Corvette. Look at, you can see
Yes.
us in the,
You can see
the
us.
reflection.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh shoot. Hey.
Wicked
Let's go.
cool.
Very
Wicked cool.
Probably the first ever truck that actually got a reflection of us. Like in a video.
Yeah,
Like, yeah,
I mean,
just like
that's
that.
rare. Makes me look like an idiot, though. That's cool.
That
Red
is-
Corvette, red chassis, chrome wheels. This reminds me of the original Blue Thunder that I think was an El Camino. I think original Blue Thunder was an El Camino, but this is back when they'd stick regular bodies on the frames.
Oh,
Monster Vet. I'll show a picture of what Monster Vet looked like back in the day. Wow, I can't believe how reflective these are. These aren't just chrome pieces of plastic.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I think they are, but they're just actually,
That's legit.
they're done well. But that looks awesome.
They're like such a smooth.
Let's see if you can see the reflection of other trucks riding up next to it.
Oh my gosh, it's so, yeah, you can see
It's
it
like a
clean up
mirror.
there. Oh my, it's got a reflection.
It got its wheels and this wheels.
What?
That is cool. Awesome addition to the collection. This one's going to
for
be
sure.
in future videos potentially.
Favorite old truck right there.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, thank you guys for watching. New uploads every week. I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching till the end to get this message. Have a good rest of your day. Subscribe for more videos.
Peace.
Okay. Oh, get that out of the way. This is a little preview for our next video. The moment of truth. Do the flotation tires
I swear.
actually float?
No way.
They don't!
They don't.
They do not!
What a rig thing to say.
Why would... Oh, that looks weird underwater.
I don't like that now.
Why does this look like a bad 3D model when it's underwater?
I don't even know. But wait, yeah, it looks like one of those things in the video games.
Yeah, it looks like a truck selection screen.
Yeah.
Why would you... Wait, hang on. These do not... They
don't do jack
They
crap.
feel like they float, and then they don't.
No, they're hopeless.
You saw it. They say flotation on them.
Yeah.
Why would you write this on the tire if you don't want people to see if they float? Myth busted. It's synced. It's at the bottom of the container.
Oh my gosh.
It's funny. Well, that's a failed experiment.
Yep.
It's getting closer to the edge.
Edge of its death.
Fading off into oblivion.
Yeah.